Clean Water System by MRSM Sungai Besar students. Motivation. So, the river was polluted, caused by waste dumped into the water or chemical spills from factories. What's the problem? The problem is to reduce the number of water crisis occurrences in Malaysia. 5 rivers were found to be the worst polluted in Malaysia, which is Sungai Pinang and Sungai Jurong in Pulau Pinang, Sungai Kelang and Sungai Penchala in Kuala Lumpur, and last but not least, Sungai Sagat in Johor Bahru.
As you can see here, for method, we decided to use sensors, sirens, motion sensor camera, and smartboard. You can also read the detail, the function and the features in this slide. Our resources is the interceptor or O2, which made for Kelang River clean up and work efficiently to collect and load waste dumped into the river. The weaknesses are cannot prevent the litter and the waste dump still contaminate the river. Then we started brainstorming session. Our aim is to reduce water pollution by preventing waste dump to the river and warn people to not litter using siren and CCTV, and stop the litter to do it again by police officer find the litterer. We also want to load the rubbish using container so that river not contaminated by the rubbish and water sources protected. Problem solved.
For science, predicts the position the garbage will fall. Use formula of buoyant force so the smart boat can float above the river. For technology, each technology linked to each other wireless. This tool does not require humans to function. For engineering, aerodynamically shaped smart boat to make it easier to move. Smart boat is designed to be able to auto close and open lid. For mathematics, measure the distance between the garbage and the smart boat. Calculate the speed of a smart boat. Our product is the smart boat, which link to the motion sensor camera and the siren. The motion sensor camera detects a moving object using the distance sensor. The distance sensor signals the speaker to produce a sound by the warning alarm. When a distance sensor detects an object falling into a river, the distance sensor will send a signal to the motion sensor camera to measure the distance between the smart boat and the waste that is dumped. Then, the information will be sent to the smart boat.
Immediately, the motion sensor camera will zoom in and capture the picture of the litterer and send it directly to the police officer. The smart boat will go to the waste dump and open the lid to collect the waste. After a week, the cleaning workers will collect the garbage from the smart boat, which will be dumped at the garbage disposal center. Lastly, police department will detect the litterer identity using face recognition. Then, the litterer must pay the fine at the nearest police department.
Reflect what can be improved. Add AI in the camera to identify its garbage or not, replacing batteries with solar energy. Add lights on the smart board.